Hello, hello to everyone. Welcome. So, as you know, I have started a 3D print business and I started to print things out, things like this, and all of a sudden I have a customer now. But for this one, what I used was this one because this is what I had. But as you can see, it's not perfect and it's not good. So I use it for myself, but because as I'm charging users for the premium price, I'm not gonna send it to the customer with this method. So I bought this. This is I don't know what it is, but the size is quite good, as you can see. And I bought this one to check. Okay, so what I think is I bought this one as well, so if it's not fitting, I can make it fit. So let's open it. I guess the best option we have is use this to cut this and then try to put it here. I don't know if it works or not. Let's do it. Let's do it. So how we can do it? First of all, let's open it. I have zero idea and I'm just making video out of nowhere, so I'm not prepared, so things might be taking a lot of time, or maybe I don't know what to do exactly at the moment. Let's do it like this to see how it works. I definitely didn't sign up for these things when I started 3D printing, but it's cool, some kind of, I like it, you know, it all goes by inventions, thinking of a new thing. Okay, so the back side of it, seriously, please open. Okay, wait, you can see. No, but yeah, okay, I saw a start point at least. I'm gonna start to penetrate. Okay, now I guess I can somehow, yes, good. I penetrated. Okay, I'm used to this. I don't know, maybe this one is better. Maybe this one is better. For this case, okay, for now. Little will kill me, but for now, let's put them here. I don't want to take time to do that. Or maybe even this one. No, this is the best. I feel good with it. Okay, so what we want to do? We want to maybe get rid of a little bit of it. Maybe I don't know how to do it. Let's this is all trial and error because I'm not this industry for a long time, so let's put this here and start to okay, here I can see, maybe I can scratch a little here so we can see where we need to cut, then maybe okay, I guess it's obvious. Not yet. Ooh, it's very... Now I can see. I guess if we can do it like this, maybe. Let's see. I don't know even if it's a good quality one, but this is what I had and this is what it is. Okay, maybe till here. If you put it like this here. See, I'm not a professional. Maybe a little like this. Okay, I just try to put a mark here and then try to cut it. Oh, I can see my fingerprints there. Maybe I can use this to avoid it. I'm trying to somehow cut this. I hope I don't cut myself. And I'm at the same time trying not to put my finger. Okay, it's working. It's working. Okay, good. But my fingerprints everywhere. But doesn't matter for now. Now I need to cut it like this. Maybe. Let's see. I guess best option is to wear a gloves, but I didn't thought of it yet. Let's go and see if it works. It's working somehow. Maybe a little more pressure at some points. Okay, I cannot see it here, that's why. Maybe how to get it. Maybe like a hammer. Maybe it works better. Okay. Definitely. We're not gonna use the other part. So okay. I hope it works well, because I guess it does. But it's not a good technique to... Let's put it here. I hope my fingerprints are not visible. Okay. Almost perfect. But I need to put it maybe from here. I don't know if it's visible here. I tried to print it on white so we can see like this. Okay, now I think it's good. Okay. From this size I can say it's involved. Yes, definitely. It has a little, so it is involved. A little here. Let me remove this. I don't know, maybe it was because of this. What about now? Okay, it's a little risky, I don't know, because you need to peel it. I guess it's not gonna involve maybe another one. Do the same technique, but let's do another technique here. Maybe it works better. I hope I don't damage the product. I hope. Okay, good. At this for the product is good. Okay. Now I start to cut from here. I don't know if you can see it correctly or not. Okay, like this. Oh, you see it? Yeah, you see. Okay. Now I start to push. I hope I don't kill myself. I don't want to kill myself. I definitely need safety stuff, but for now I don't have it. And I have customers, so I need to do it no matter what. Okay. I guess now is good. Now is perfectly good, but I need to first remove the first layer plastic and put the second layer of plastic on it. See, because it peels very easily. Oh, I like it. Now, easy peasy, I put this here. Stay please. And now I start to peel it. I hope the video is good and you're seeing things, because okay, now peeling it and put this one on top of it. I hope it works. I have zero idea, but the customer is like a friend of my girlfriend, so we can get the feedback on how it worked. Okay. Uh-oh, what the hell is this? No way. Okay, doesn't matter. But the technique was good, I guess. Now we're going somewhere. Oopsie. Easily you can cut your finger. You need to be very careful. Don't do it at home. Okay, ta-da! This one is ready. Okay, so let me show you what other stuff I did. This is the other stuff I did. Let me show you. So I bought one of these things, as you can see, LED stripe rechargeable, and I put it at this, in this. Let me open it for you to see how it is inside. So this is how it is inside. But this is so cool. Let me show you. So cool. Put it like this. Yes, and then like this, and ta-da! Here we go. And it has different kind of things, like different colors and stuff. So this is cool. I'm trying to make cool stuff, and this is the other thing I made for another customer. As you can see, this is good. I did the same. This is PLA. I did the same with PETG, and look what happened. First of all, this one, yeah, no, not good on the bed and damaged. Sorry, this one. You see, I don't know what happened, warped or whatever. Something happened here. And the other thing is, I couldn't actually take them out without force, and I did a lot of damage to it. So I learned a lesson. Okay, thank you for being with me.